We're looking at the Kingston Fury DDR5 32GB D6001, which is a fast and reliable memory kit built for modern gaming and creative workloads. Right off the box, as you see here with the unboxing, the modules feel premium with solid metal headquarter, head spread story designed to keep temperature low and performance stables. This one is part of your PC build. The installation is super quick. You can plug them into your DDR5 slots, active XMP or DOCP, and they run at full 6000 MHz speed. The performance boost is immediately notable, subs open faster, multitasking feels smoother, and demanding software like video editors or 3D tools runs without slowdown. So it's absolutely amazing. For gaming, you get quicker loading times and more stable frame rate, while creators benefit from faster rendering and preview times. And with a 32GB of capacity, you have plenty of headroom for heavy workload. Overall, it is a powerful future-proof upgrade that improves speed, responsiveness, and system stability. A great pick for gamers and creators who want high-end performances without compromising anything.